Hey Yash, okay, I've made a cardboard dummy. This is a handmade dummy, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna show you how the thing's gonna work out. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is handmade, so that's why there's a little problem here, but it'll be okay. Okay, we have a bottom ready to go. So this is a finished box. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, we have this element, we have a backside, right? And this is what is PLA with the updated text here. Now this is the top, right? And this is the bottom. Okay, this is how you're gonna see one, all right, and then this. Okay, this we cannot move this to upper side, because if you're gonna move upper side, we have to squeeze the text, and if you're okay with the squeezing the text, we are okay. Otherwise, we have to move around. Let me know if these changes, if you need any changes, so we can do it accordingly. Thanks.